Google Maps API. With the Maps SDK for Android, you can add maps based on Google Maps data to your application. The API automatically handles access to Google Maps servers, data downloading, map display, and response to map gestures. You can also use API calls to add markers, polygons, and overlays to a basic map, and to change the user's view of a particular map area. These objects provide additional information for map locations, and allow user interaction with the map. I've always been fascinated by maps. They're amazing at stoking the imagination about faraway places, planning adventures to new areas, and displaying data in a contextual and useful way. Millions of users look up directions, plan their commutes, catch a ride, or find new places using map-based apps on their phones every day. Here are the steps which you need to follow to connect your app with API as shown in the video. Step 1. Right-click into your package. Step 2.
Create a new activity. Go to the activity and just click on empty activity, and just name the activity as text-to-speech activity. Text-to-speech, and just click on finish, and you can see the build.gradle has syncing started. So wait up to the activity has been built. Once the activity has built properly, just type text-to-speech and declare a variable name, and in your onCreate activity just initialize text-to-speech is equal to new text-to-speech this comma text-to-speech dot on initial as listener. You can see the on method has been automatically loaded. In that we specify the status condition text-to-speech dot success, and we'll just set the language local dot English, and once the language has said text-to-speech dot speak, and in that first parameter you should specify the text what you want to make to text into speech, and in the second parameter just text-to-speech dot q or flush, whatever you and the rest of the two parameters are null comma null. Outside the onCreate activity just click Ctrl O, so just click on destroy, override the method, and in that method you just stop the check if, let's write some code, text-to-speech is not equal to null if, so let's write that code text-to-speech dot stop, and then at last text-to-speech dot just shut down. So that's it, our text-to-speech. Only 4 steps. Declare a variable, and in onCreate method, make sure in onCreate method you initialize this text-to-speech and set the language, which language you wanted to speak, and the text which you want to be spoken. So this is what text-to-speech. It is very simple.